Okay, so here's the final result, or the completed casted vent window frame for the 36 Plymouth. What we had was the original left side, but could not find a right side that was any good. So what we did is we 3D scanned this in-house and brought it into CAD, cleaned it up, and we mirrored it and made a left side. So this here is an exact copy of that one, except reversed, flipped, and it turned out pretty good. We're pretty happy with it. It's made out of it's casted in Zamac 2, which is American standard for the early automotive years. Oh, I'm sorry, Zamac 3 is what we casted it in, which was the early material that these things were manufactured in. So, other than that, yeah, if you have any questions regarding casting or whatever, we can definitely do it. We don't get into too much big stuff, bulky stuff, because it's just too much work and too much money, if you will, and especially like thin pieces like headlamp bezels and tail lamp buckets and those kind of things. We kind of tend to stick to moldings and emblems and badges and stuff like that, door handles, any kind of that stuff. This was an exception. This actually was made in 3 pieces, and we once we got those 3 pieces made, we welded it all together and final sanded it, and yeah, so there's a limit to the size that we can do at this time, but perhaps in the, I don't know, a ways down the road, we might start doing bigger stuff. But for now, we're just going to do the little stuff, because it's just the bigger stuff would be too much trouble for us right now. So anyhow, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. And again, this was a 1936 Plymouth convertible left wing window, copied from the customer's right side. So anyhow, I appreciate you all watching, and thank you very much.